Hi everyone, this is Jane here, and I thought I would come on and just do a little video because I'm making some new papers for some new journals. So I'm running out of my dyed papers, so I thought I would make some more. So I've already made some just ordinary coffee dyed papers, and I've also just done some ones with coffee dyed but with stencils. So I thought what I would do is do some of the little bit of colour in them. So I've just done one there just to give it a try because I've not done this way before. So what I'm doing is I have some ordinary white paper. Actually, what I will do quickly while I'm here, just give that a little squirt as well, because then the back won't be quite as leery white. So there's my white copy paper. This is coffee with a little bit of rubbing alcohol in it just to stop it going, you know, sometimes if you do it and you leave it, it goes mouldy. So that will stop that happening. And then what I'm doing is I've got some stencils. So I'm just going to pop the stencil. Actually, what I did first was this. So to give it a bit of a background that wasn't just plain white, I've got a little bit of coffee spray. And then I put the stencil on top. And then I use an ink. So this is a Distress Oxide spray in, hold on a second, let me put my proper glasses on so I can actually see what I'm doing. In Victorian Velvet. So let's have a look. I'll just have a little spray. So the coffee dyedness will give it a little so that's that. And then what I do is I put another sheet on top, so you'll have the reverse effect of the stencil showing through onto this page. Let's give it a bit of a spray and then a little bit of a rub over like that. Let's just see. So just to give you like a little glimpse of what it will come out looking like. It will come out looking like that. So that's that. I always do mine on a towel. It protects everything else and soaks up any of the excess stuff. Doesn't mean you have to be super careful about where you're spraying because it's all going to get soaked up on the towel. So let's just pop a clean sheet on. There we go. Pop it in. A little bit of a coffee spray. You could do this with a brush if you wanted to get rid of any of the sort of speckledy effect on there. You absolutely could do that, but I don't mind it. I think it's quite nice. So let's just pop that down. I'm going to use this Victorian Velvet again on this one because it's roses, so I think that works quite nicely. Just a little spray of that. But we will do some different colours. A little smoosh down. Now, if you do smoosh it out to the edges, you are going to get it on your hands, so it will come over onto this side. It doesn't matter to me because we're doing things that are just kind of a bit higgledy-piggledy anyway, and we're not really trying to keep the colours all super separate. If you wanted to do, say, a journal where you just wanted all of the colours to be blue, then just do yourself a blue pile. Then you're not going to get the colours mixed up together. But I don't mind the colours being mixed up together, so that's all good. So a little spray again. And what shall we have with these? So these are some butterfly ones, and for the butterflies let's have a little bit of Wilted Violet. So that'll be pretty. Just have a little squirt on him. There we go. Perfect. A little bit of coffee. That's that. New bit of paper. So you can see that it's really quick and you get a lot of sheets done like this. Now I don't do mine in the oven. I don't sort of dry mine in the oven. I just leave them to air dry. I usually just spread them out over a surface somewhere in the kitchen and just let them dry there. So this is the little birdie. I think I'll do that in the violet colour as well. A little bit of coffee dye on this side, so this side's not all just leery white. Give that a good smoosh down. Okay, so that's the new one. What have we got here? This one we've got a tree. So I don't have a green. Oh, hang on, just one sec. Forgot. Bit of coffee. And then the tree. I don't have anything that is kind of tree coloured. But I do have some brown, like walnut stain, which is a bit darker than the coffee dye, I think. So we could try that and see what that looks like. Should be interesting. So that's that. A little bit more coffee spray. Go. All nice and done. That's all that. Okay, a little bit of coffee spray on this one. Now what I thought I'd do on this one, just for a bit of fun, because this is the last one, so I'm running out of paper now, is to do a bit of a mishmash of sprays. So I thought I would spray a little bit of brown. Now this could come out a complete mess, by the way. Bit of the pinky colour. A little bit of the violet. And we'll see how that looks. I think I've got one more piece of paper left. So put a little bit of coffee there. And we'll have this viney one. I don't really have anything kind of viney. in terms of colour. I should get myself a green one of these actually. So I'm just going to use the brown for now. I just pop down all of that. Rub it all in. Finish it off with a little bit of coffee. And that's that. I've only got one piece left, so that won't be enough to do another one. So I'll save that bit of paper for later. Actually won't. I'll put it on here to dry this up a bit. So that is our pile of papers. And you can see that they're leaving some quite nice designs on there. So I'm gonna leave those to dry for now, and I'll probably come back and just do another little quick video that shows what they all look like when they're finished. But they're quite cool and quite easy to do. I think that's a really easy thing to do. You can dry them in the oven, I guess, if you wanted to. I don't do that. I just leave them out to dry, and they dry quite quickly. So, yeah, if you've got a bit of room, you could just leave them somewhere. Perfect. So, hope that's helped. If you like sort of making your own papers and things, I think it's a fun thing to do. I find it quite therapeutic, actually. It's really good. So, thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like and a share and a subscribe and all of those good things. And I'll see you all again soon. Thanks for watching.